This shows you how to use Sculpt to repair normals. So let's open up Sculpt plugin and then run some diagnostics. So if we click on the view flipped normals, you can see there's quite a few in this cube. So what we want to do, come down to the repair normals and click on unify normal. And let's go back to the diagnostics. That's all green, so that's now fixed. Second one, if we look at a plane, and if we just use the standard max tool, let's select that and try and repair that. So let's unify that. It doesn't seem to be working. Another way, if we go back into IgNite, and then now let's move the pivot point, we'll just move that up, and I'll show you if we flip these normals away from pivot, that is now going to fix that without using any modifier. And then all we have to do is reset the pivot point back to normal.